Hey everybody, Kathy here, your Maniac. I am here to do an unboxing. This is the January Sparkle Co Luxe Subscription bag is what I have. So nothing better than getting home from a long stretch of work days, flying in Boston to Sparkle Mail, and it's red because it's Valentine's themed. So let's get into it. I've seen the spoilers, I'm not going to lie. They're all over, and I'm so excited. I don't know if I've ever been this excited to do a new manicure. So it's kind of late, so I'm going to do it tomorrow. But I couldn't wait to show you this. So this month's bag is a beautiful marble with a cute little heart charm, and it's so soft, so pretty, lovely. It's nice. I love their bags. Really good quality too. So that's exciting. Also, hooray for Valentine's Day. We always get a little sticker. So I haven't quite decided how I want to put all my stickers. I'm thinking about putting them up near all my nail supplies, but I haven't quite decided how yet. So let's see. You guys, I'm so excited. So excited. All right, so the Luxe bag, as I've mentioned before, the Luxe bag comes with 4 dips and a polish. And then you always get 1 liquid, which this month is, I think, special. Usually they rotate through the liquids that you use to apply the dip. So they'll do the pH prep, which is step number 1. The next month we'll get the base, and the next month we'll have solidify, and then the glossy. Yeah, so we got glossy coat. Yay! Hooray, hooray. All right, so she also gave us a sample of pink chrome powder. I do not know if you guys can see how cool this looks. Can't wait to try this out. I'm super excited. So our 4 powders for this month, yay, are gorgeous, all Valentine's themed. So we've got Heart Eyes, Galentine's Day. This is like a pink sparkle, or a red sparkle, sorry, Heart Eyes. There's a red glitter. Galentine's Day is a beautiful pink, some kind of chunky pieces in there with some colored glitter. We have Propose Already, which is a beautiful nude, like an off-white kind of color. And then It's Complicated, which is a cute bright pink, and I'm so excited. We also got a polish, Be Mine, which is, it's a little darker. The It's Complicated is a brighter pink. So you can see those. So exciting. I cannot wait to do my manicure with these. They're awesome. And the polish you can use on top of the dip. So if you dip your nails for strength like I do, you can put on a couple layers of the clear dip, finish that out, and then put the polish on top and put some gel coat over top. I use Sparkle Co Gel Top usually. And cure that and make sure you do the edges, and it'll give it a nice finish, and you'll still get the strength from the clear dip, but you'll get to use any nail polish, Sparkle Co or any other one that you have. I have a million polish colors from just before I found Sparkle Co. So this is our bag for January, Sparkle Co. So if you're interested in a subscription from Sparkle Co, they just introduced this month an itty bitty subscription. It's $12.99, I think. $12.99, I'm pretty sure. I'll double check. And it's a smaller size. You don't get a bag, you don't get a liquid, but you get a couple dip powders every month. So that's if you're looking for something smaller. The basic dip bag, the basic gel bag, and the Surprise Me bag are $29.99. The dip comes with 3 dips. The gel comes with 3 gels. The Surprise Me can be a mix of gels and dips, just depending on what they put in there that month. And then there's the Luxe bag, which is this one. This is $44.99 a month. And then the I Want It All bag comes with all the dips, all the gels, and the polish, and that is $64.99 a month. So if you do end up getting a subscription through Sparkle Co, you can get a great referral credit. They have a fantastic referral program. If you put me down as a referral, or anyone who has gotten you interested in Sparkle Co, if it wasn't me, put their name in the notes when you check out, when you order your subscription. You'll get an $18 credit, as will the person who referred you. Additionally, once you place your first order at sparkleandco.com, you'll get a $9 credit if you put in a referral, as will the person who referred you. So if you found Sparkle Co through me, make sure you put Kathy DeSoto in there. And if not, put the person who turned you on to Sparkle Co. It's such a great company. Please take a look at all their dips. I've got a new organizational scheme that I'm working on. I'll have a video up about how I keep my dips organized. I'm going to show it to you, new stuff. I'll get that video up as soon as I can. So if you have any questions, please post them down below. If you do like these unboxing videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the Maniac so you don't miss any upcoming, including my Valentine's Day manicure, which I cannot wait. I have some really great ideas, and I cannot wait to use them. Hooray! All right. Comment below, and we'll check you later.